Hey, welcome to week 219 of the Friday feature. It's May 31st, 2024. This past Sunday, we saw two devastating storms come through our area within 12 hours of each other. One of them produced EF2 and an EF3 tornado. I saw the community come together, strangers come together. At my work, I saw coworkers and strangers come together to restore power to thousands of people. But here's the deal, there's still a lot of work to do. But tomorrow, we're going to take a 4-hour break and we're going to play golf. We're going to do something for a cause that doesn't stop, and that's cancer. Tomorrow, we're going to raise money for 18 for Life. They give $1,000 love offerings to local families who are battling cancer with no questions asked. $1,000 just shows up in their mailbox. Tomorrow, we're going to raise money, then we'll get back to work on the cleanup and other things in our area. So if you have a good cause, I encourage you today to donate to them. We all have a chance to make a difference. Sometimes it's just a smile or a wave. Sometimes it's just a lucky golf shot. See, I missed it. I don't play golf very often, but you can. We'll see you next Friday. Oh, look.